Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is Chennai Metro. Chennai Metro is rapid transit system serving city of Chennai, India. As of 2023, operational network consists of two color-coded lines covering length of 54 kilometers, 34 mi, making fourth largest metro system in India. Chennai Metro Rail Limited (CMRL) joint venture between Government of India, Government of Tamil Nadu, BLITF operates the Chennai Metro system. Uses standard gauge and has mixed underground head elevated station. Metro overview. Owner Metro Rail Limited (CMR), local Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Transit time rapid transit. Number of line 2 operational, 3 under construction. Line number operational: blue line line 1, green line 2 under construction, purple line 3, orange line 4, red line 5. Number of station 42. Daily ridership 0.25 million 2022. Annual ridership 60.9 million 2022. Headquarter Metros Anna Sale, Nandanam, Chennai 600035 Chennai. Operation began operation 29 June 2015, 8 years ago. At operator Chennai Metro Rail Limited (CMR). Number of vehicle 52. Train length 100 m, 328 feet. Headway 2 to 8 minutes. Technical system length 54.65 km, 33.96 mi. Track height 1435 mm, 4 feet 8 plus half inch. Standard height. Electrification 25 kV, 50 Hz AC overheated catenary. Top speed 120 km per hour, 75 mph. Planning metro started in 2007 to 8 with the construction commencing February 2009. Testing began 2014. Commissioner Metro Rail Safety approved operation of January 2015. On 29 June 2015, commercial operation started between Alandur and Coimbatore station. Green line under the 21 September 2016. Operation on Green line was extended. Chennai Airport, Little Mount, and commercial operation commenced the first underground section between Thirumangalam, Nehru Park on 14 May 2017 and extended to Chennai Central on 25 May 2018. May 2018, Operation Blue Line commenced between Saidapet and AGDMS with the extended underground stretch from AGDMS and Sarmenpet Blue Line commencing operation 10 February 2019, completing phase 1. Metro as of the 2023, 3 more line under construction covering length 116.1 km, 72.1 mi. Second phase Chennai Mass Rapid Transit System planned, taken over by Chennai Metro. History. Chennai had established sub-network which started operating 1931. Single metro gauge line from Chennai Beach to Tambaram and 2 more lines were added connecting Chennai Central, Arakonam and Kummidipundi 1985. In 1965, Planning Commission set up team study of assess adequacy and limitation existing transfer facility, determine feasibility of different modes of transport and recommend phased program. Development transfer facility major cities including Madras. As a result, first phase Central Mass Rapid Transit System. India first elevated line between Chennai Beach to Tirumala and opened 1995 with the extension of Velachery into 2007. Modern metro light system were planned. Chennai modeled after Delhi Metro. Construction 2007 to 8. Delhi Metro Rail Corporation (DM) tasked with preparing detailed project report. Implemented metro system in Chennai. 7 lines were planned by DMRC and Chennai Metro Network, and first phase was completed with 2 lines covering 45.1 km, 28.0 mi, 25 km, 16 mi being underground, which approved Government of India 7 November 2007. On 7 November 2007, Chennai Metro Rail Limited (CMRL) SPV created joint venture between Government of India, Government of Tamil Nadu. Execute project. Planning Commission gave in principle approval project 16 April 2008. Estimated base cost of phase 1 was 3,770 crore rupees, $470 million, which is 57% of landed Japan International Cooperation Agency. 2009, 199 crore rupees, $25 million. Contract construction 4.5 km, 2.8 mi long viaduct along with the inner ring road, and the construction started 10 June 2009 with the building work on elevated viaduct between Coimbatore and Ashoknagar stretch. March 2009, $30 million contract was awarded by 5 companies headed by French company EGS and technological consultancy project. August 2010 contract supplying rolling stock was awarded Alstom at cost of $243 million. December 2010 DMR submitted report extending corridor 1 from Washermanpet to WIMCO Nagar, distance of 9 km 5.6 mi. January 2011 joint venture between Larsen and Toubro. Alstom was awarded by contract for designing construction track work and depot for 449.22 crore $56 million. June 2011 further tender elevated station first phase were awarded to Consolidated Construction Consortium. Contract for supply lift and escalator. Contract for supply lift and escalator was awarded joint venture Johnson Lift SJEC Corporation. February 2011 contract were awarded by construction underground section of first phase to Common Indian Most Metrostrike contract. Power supply and overhead electrification was awarded Siemens 305 crore rupees $38 million. Contract for automatic fare collection AFC, tunnel ventilation and air conditioning were awarded Nippon Signal and Emirates Trading Agency and Voltas respectively. July 2012 first tunnel boring machine was launched and by October 2012 11 machines were commissioned bore tunnel and along with the underground stretched by 3 consortium and namely Afghan Trans Tunnel Star, L&T and SUCG. 6 November 2013 test run was conducted along the stretch of 1 km 0.62 mi track. 14 February 2014 maiden trail run and metro was conducted between Coimbatore and Ashok Nagar station. August 2014 metro received statutory speeds clarification clearance and from research design and standard organization. In January 2015 report was submitted to Commissioner Metro Rail Safety approval. 2015 Commissioner Metro Rail Safety Inspector Rolling Stock submitted report of Railway Board. On 29 June 2015 commercial operations started between Alandur and Coimbatore station on Green Line. 21 September 2016 commercial operation commenced between Airport and Little Mount. On 14 May 2017 operation commenced first underground line between Thirumangalam to Nehru Park, which was extended Chennai Central on 25 May 2018. May 2018 operation Blue Line commenced between Saidapet and AGDMS. 10 February 2019 underground stretch from AGDMS and Washermanpet. Blue Line was opened completing 45 km. 28 mi phase 1 of metro. Phase 1 extension 9 km 5.6 mi. Northern extension of Blue Line running from Washerman to WIMCO Nagar was planned with the underground section first 4 km 2.5 mi until the Saidapet after it become elevated consisting 9 station. Construction started July 2016. Trial run in December 2020 and a line opened by passenger traffic 14 February 2021. Increasing length operation metro system 54 km 34 mi. Expansion phase 2 July 2016 Government of Tamil Nadu was announced Chennai Metro phase 2 would be have 3 lines totaling 104 km 65 mi in length and have the 104 station. July 17 state government announced extension phase 2 involving an extension line 4 from lighthouses up to Punnamalai with a new intersection with Mahathavaram to Solinganallur line at Alvar Thirunagar and final proposed length of was 116.1 km 72 mi and it was estimated by cost of 36,000 crore rupees $4.5 billion, which 4,710 crore $590 million was loaned by JICA. Foundation stone for phase 2 was laid on 20 November 2020. Construction commenced 1 June 2021. 14 February 2021 Prime Minister of India announced that government has set aside 63,000 crore rupees $7.9 billion construction phase 2 further extension. November 2022 Alstom was awarded construct to supply metro coaches phase 2 expansion. MRTS integration. Chennai Massive Rapid Transit System MRTS will handed by over to CMRL by Southern Railway. Once expansion MRTS completed, entire system will be upgraded including track security, ticketing system and rolling stock. 11 May 2022 Indian Railway granted in principle approval Chennai Metro takeover MRTS. Feature CMRL has also proposed phase 1 southern extension light metro. It also proposed construction new rail depots, development central square around CMRL headquarters with the commercial complex with the multi-story building. Phase 3 Chennai Metro has also been planned, part of Chennai Comprehensive Mobility Plan. CMRL will be also aid development metro rail transport cities in Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli and Madurai. Proposed line, terminal and station status. Blue Line Chennai Airport, Keelambakam bus terminus 16 km 9.9 mi 12. Project report repaired. Red line Coimbatore Pattinapparam 16.07 km 9.99 mi 15 feasibility study. Purple line at Tiruseri Sipka to Kilampakam bus terminus 26 km 16 mi. Feasibility study Orange line Ponnamal and bypass Parandur 50 km 31 mi. Running metro line Tambaram Velachery 20 km 12 mi. Feasibility study network commercial operation Chennai metro was started between Alandur and Coimbatore station. Green line 29 June 2015 with a further expansion September 2016. May 2017 May 2018 connecting Chennai airport with the Chennai Central. Operation Blue line commenced between Saidabad AGDMS and the further expansion February 2019. Washer made completing 45 km 28 mi phase 1 and 9 km 5.6 mi northern extension of blue line running from Washerman input to WIMCO Nagar was opened by passenger traffic. 14 February 2021 increasing length of the operation metro system to 54 km 34 mi. Metro system provided interconnection with the various other transportation mode city including suburban railway, MRTS, main railway line at Chennai Central, Egmore, Tambar, Chennai International Airport, Chennai Mofussil first and terminus operation line terminal first operation last extension length kilometer station rolling stock trackage blue line WIMCO Nagar depot Chennai Airport 21 September 2016. 14 February 2021 32.65 km 20.29 mi 2652 train into 4 car 1435 mi 56.5 mi. Green line Central ST Thomas Mount 29 June 2015 25 May 2018 22 km 14 mi 17 total 54.65 41 52 trains and 4 car under construction. Line terminal length of station rolling stock and purple line Madhavaram Milk Colony Siruseri Sipka 2 45.4 km 28.2 mi 47 56 train into 30 car. Orange line Ponnamal bypass and lighthouse 26.1 km 16.2 mi 27 36 train into 3 cars. Red line and Madhavaram Milk Colony Solinganallur 44.6 km 27.7 mi 45. Infrastructure Chennai Metro runs standard gauge measuring 1435 mm and 56.15 lines and double tracked average speed of operation 85 km per hour 53 mph maximum speed 1200 km per hour 75 mph. Rolling stock metro coaches manufactured by ALSTO picture metro train rolling into Gindi metro station. Also supply rolling stock Chennai metro. First 9 trains that were imported from Brazil remaining were manufactured new facilities set up near Chennai. Phase 1 also supplied 320 trains set composed 4 coaches each with each car measuring 300 meters 980 feet length. Train are air conditioned with electrically operated automatic sliding door and have first class compartment with a dedicated section reserved for women. Under the train operated on 25 kV AC through an overhead catenary system. Maximum speed 1200 km per hour 75 mph. Train connectivity grid via overhead electric cable equipped with the regenerative braking with the capacity of recover 30 to 35% energy during braking. Metro consume average 70 megawatt power daily. Electricity supplied by Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. Chennai Metro also solar power supply 5 station capacity 200 kilowatt. Station total 40 station operation along with the 2 lines. Phase 1 with 22 underground station. Underground section walkway run along with the length with cross passes every 250 meter 820 feet with the maintenance emergency evacuation. Underground station have been average width of 220 meters 720 feet 390 meters and 1280 feet and go up the 50 feet. Deep from the ground level length of the station phase 1 extension 180 meter 590 feet and elevated station have 3 level with the concourse level of minimum height 5.5 meter 18 feet above the ground level platform level above concourse, while the underground station have the 2 level platform screen door. Station are air conditioned or equipped disabled elderly friendly and with the automatic fare collection system, announcement system, electronic display boards and escalator and lift. Paid parking facility available 2-wheeler or most station. 4-wheeler depots Chennai Metro maintain major depot Coimbatore covering area 26 hectare 64 acre which house of main workshop, stabling lines, test track, washing plant and train. 2022 elevated depot Vimco Nagar and covering area of 3.5 hectare 8.6 acre commenced by operation with the facility inspection emergency repair and washing plant. Operation as 2022 metro operated train from 5 am to 11 pm. Average frequency one of train every 6 minutes in peak hours and every 12 minutes lean hours blue line and one train every 12 minutes peak hour and every 18 minutes lean hour and green line. Main operational control center located Coimbatore. Every movement train real time CCTV footage obtained by monitor. Fare and ticketing. Minimum fare 10 rupees and maximum fare of 50 rupees. There are 6 types of ticket issued by CMRL travel in Metro, Chennai Metro. Single journey token which needed to purchase each time every journey at a ticket counter, ticket vending machine and available at all station. Stored value card SVC. Prepaid rechargeable travel card can be purchased any ticket counter against refundable deposit and can be recharged up to any ticket counter automated ticket. Vending machine station and offer discount fare trip cards and for applicable travel between some station to same station and are available varied combination and validity with the discount fare. Tourist card provided by car holder, unlimited rides and Chennai Metro station for one time. QR ticket, single and return journey ticket can be bought through the CMRL mobile app. QR code ticket scanner on the station. Singara Chennai and card of co-branded card launched by 2023 association with the State Bank of India, which was can be used to access all major metro with selected transport bus transport system in the India. Accident and incident. August 2012, construction work was killed and 6 others seriously injured due to crane boom and failure new at Pachayaf College. And 10 January 2013, 22 years old construction worker was killed. 3 others were injured. Metro rail site and between Alandur ST Thomas Mount. 11 January 2014, crane toppled over killing a 20 years old construction worker and seriously injuring one other worker. Construction site Saidapet station. 17 June 2015, 30 years old man was killed spot and another motorcyclist injured when the iron rod fell on them to under construction metro rail station near officing training academy of ST Thomas Mount. Criticism. Chennai Metro's second most expensive terms of ticket cost per kilometer in the country after Mumbai Metro. Fare were the temporarily slashed by 20 rupees and the Chief Minister Tamil Nadu February 2010 with the maximum fare capped 40 rupees. 2019 Madras High Court questioned by state government scientific method adopted by construction tunnel without disturbing water bodies in city. Awards and honor. Chennai Metro Rail Limited was awarded by National Project Excellence Award on 20 August 2019. Project Maintenance and Associate